Okay, let's get started. For this project, I'm using a piece of bar stock. It is 1/2 inch wide, and I cut off a piece that is 12 inches long. We want to make a blade, but before we can do that, we want to do something called pointing the bar. We're going to bring this to a point, and this is how we do it. See how I'm near the edge of the anvil, and I'm hammering it at an angle. And the reason why we're near the edge of the angle is so that the hammer can lean over the edge. And then now I'm going back and forth at 90-degree angles like that. See that? Causing a diamond shape on the end of that handle. And now I'm going to stretch out that point. I'm doing the same thing, moving it 90 at an angle at a time, back and forth. And I'm leaning it over the edge of the anvil, so what happens is it stretches it out. And I'm hitting it right where the angle is. So that steel thins and stretches, and it's still at a 90-degree angle, so we're turning a round stock into a square stock. So from here to continue pointing it out, I'm going to hammer on those angles. So now I turn it, and instead of being 4-sided, we make it 8-sided. Watch. You should be able to see it here. There, there, there. Now I'm hammering on the angles, and that rounds it out. So now it's octagonal instead of square. So you can do that again and make it even rounder. So this is how we get our point. Really easy. If you're new to blacksmithing, practice this. It's really good because you use the edge of the anvil, you gain some hammer control, and you'll see how it works. See? You can see how it's shaped. And from here, I'm just going to use a smaller hammer to do the detail work to make it the roundness that I want. And now that we have a point on this bar, we can turn it into the blade of the letter opener. But let me just finish it off to get it the detail that I like, which is really not a big deal. I want to keep this very rustic looking and medieval looking. So, that rough forged look is wonderful, and that's what we're going for. And there you go. I'm happy with it.